Hey friends, if you encounter the issue your location has been accessed or is currently in use in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, here's the thing. This is not actually a problem. I'll explain what happens. Whenever people encounter this message, they think that their computer is hacked. This is not the fact, okay? The computer has not been hacked. The thing is that a few apps need permissions to use your location settings, and you can deny these permissions as well. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the privacy and security tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select location, and then you'll find location services here. So you can turn it off completely, but I don't want to turn it off completely. If there's any problematic app like news or Skype, then turn it off for that specific application. Okay, and this will solve the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.